How to contact Get Your Guide Support. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can contact Get Your Guide Support, and it's very simple. The first step is to launch the app. So after launching the app, on the home page, move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see icons like Discover, Wishlist, Cart, Bookings, Profile. Just click on Profile, which is the last option here. After clicking on Profile, on the Profiles page, you can see the Settings tab, and you will see options like Profile, Currency, Language, Appearance, Notifications. Then you can see Support. So under the support option, you can see Help Center and Chat with Us. For the Help Center, by the time you click on Help Center, you'll be taken to the page where you would see frequently asked questions as well as articles that have addressed these questions. Alright, so this is the Help Centers page, and here you can see you can just decide to search out a topic that you want answers to, and then you would get answers here. But then if you don't want to make use of this method, you can just decide to scroll down and then click on Contact Us to contact the customer support directly instead of making use of articles. So when you click on Contact Us, you can see the options available. You can decide to send an email, you can decide to call the customer service, and then you can decide to message using WhatsApp. For very fast responses, it's advisable to call the customer service. But if you're not in an hurry, you can decide to send an email, or you can decide to message using WhatsApp. So these are the various ways of contacting the support. Make use of them, and I'm sure you would be good to go. Or you can just decide to click on Chat with Us directly under the support page, and then you'll chat with the live agent on the application. This is also a very fast method if you need urgent responses. So this is how you can contact Get Your Guide Support. Thanks for watching and have a good day.